This AI model is insane. If you have used DeepSeek and thought it was cool, I dare you to check out Manus. Manus is a general AI agent that can do all your work on your behalf. This is Manus.im, founded by a developer from China. This is the video he uploaded that made the whole AI world go crazy. These are some features Manus offers, but in short, I'll explain what it does. It helps with deep research and integrates with ChatGPT Pro, which costs about $200, along with cloud-based tools for coding and website creation, all in one tool. Manus allows us to create websites, conduct deep research, and perform analysis. It follows step-by-step instructions and executes them automatically, just like an AI operator. Let me show you what it actually does. Even without logging in, you can understand its use cases from its website. Let's say you want to plan a trip to Japan in April. Select the option, and it will generate a detailed itinerary. On the right side, you can see it running tests, performing web searches, gathering information, and creating documents. It provides in-depth research on how to travel in Japan, including budget planning, places to visit, the best routes, and how to save money while traveling. Everything is presented in a structured report. The results are stored in folders and website formats so that you can access them later. As you can see on the screen, it is researching on the right side and downloading files on the left. Once done, I can simply click on the file I want to view, such as the travel handbook, proposal, or itinerary. Looking at the handbook, you can see how well structured it is. It includes travel dates, the number of travelers, budget details, and personalized recommendations based on my interests and budget. The research covers everything: forecasting, activities, daily plans, and more, all in detail. This is an incredible tool that saves a lot of time. Now, let's look at another example: analyzing Tesla stock. Manus can analyze any stock and provide insights. When I select this option, it immediately starts searching for data on Tesla stocks, creating reports, gathering market trends, and visualizing financial insights. It compiles all the necessary stock data, generates graphs, and provides valuation analysis in an easy-to-understand format. What's impressive is that AI is now taking over financial analysis. Do you think AI will replace human stock analysts? Let me know in the comments. As it continues working, it refines its research, analyzes trends, and generates an entire website summarizing the stock performance. Within minutes, a detailed website is created, featuring financial summaries, performance trends, valuation analysis, and insights. This is mind-blowing. I can now easily read through the report and decide whether to invest in Tesla stock. The level of depth in these reports is something I've never seen in any other tool. This is revolutionary. Let's move on to another use case: creating an interactive course on the momentum theorem. By selecting this option, Manus searches the web, gathers information from YouTube, blogs, and other sources, and generates a structured course. If you want to learn any complex concept, such as AI, it will build a step-by-step guide with reliable content. Once the research is complete, it generates course materials, including a downloadable document and a simulation tool. When I open the simulation, I can modify parameters like mass and velocity to see how momentum changes. This is perfect for students studying physics or science. And all of this is done in just a few minutes. Now, let's explore another impressive feature: AI-powered lead generation. Imagine you're in sales and need a list of potential leads. You can instruct Manus to find all Y Combinator B2B competitors from the winter 2025 batch. Within seconds, it compiles a structured list of companies and presents it in a clear format. I can then export this data to tools like Apollo and automate my outreach process. This is incredibly useful for freelancers and entrepreneurs. Apart from these features, Manus can also conduct in-depth market research, perform survey analysis, generate project reports, analyze Oz and media learning trends, automate lead generation. In the data analysis section, Manus allows us to analyze various topics, from steel industry strategies to machine learning competitions. You can even upload a competition URL, and Manus will generate advanced models and hyperparameter optimizations that rank in the top 10% of competitions. In the education section, it creates interactive courses, and in productivity, it automates tasks efficiently. There are so many possibilities. I encourage you to explore Manus on your own. Overall, Manus is an impressive AI tool. I believe it's going to revolutionize AI-driven research and automation. What do you think about the future of AI? Let me know in the comments. Heads up for the future, AI is evolving fast. Take care and goodbye.